Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are doing wonder. I am Rashmi, again welcoming you on my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi, wherein we all are learning the shortcut tricks to apply in the competitive exam just to save a lot of calculation time. I hope you have watched my all the previous videos and you are practicing enough. So just to get enough of the confidence, you have to keep on practicing. And please do not forget to like my video, do share it to your friends and allow them to take the benefit of all the shortcut methods. Okay? Do subscribe my video, press the bell icon button. Let's discuss what new thing we are going to learn today. Again, we are here with a fraction problem, but this time we will be learning how to deal with subtraction operation. Okay, as we have seen the shortcut method to simplify any of the fraction problem with the help of which method? With the shortcut trick method without converting any of the mixed fraction into the improper and then simplifying and then at the end again converting improper into the mixed fraction takes a lot of process, takes a lot of space and time. And competitive exam we need to save a lot of time. So here is the trick for just to save a lot of time for the calculation. So what we will be doing, as I said before also, हमको एडिशन में हमने पहले ही चेक किया था कि क्या करते हैं, हमको इसको सिंप्लीफाई एज यूजुअल बेसिक मेथड से नहीं करना है. So here I'll be showing you the difference. That is why I will be doing both the methods, but you only have to apply the method which you find convenient. And I am 100% sure the method which I taught you, that is actually going to give a lot of benefits. And most of the doubts might, many of the students might have tried with subtraction operation by the same method and they found some problem. So for them, this is the video which helps them that in that case, what needs to be done. We'll be discussing everything in detail. So हमने रूल क्या किया था डिसाइड कि हम होल पार्ट को साथ में ग्रुप करके सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे एंड फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट को साथ में सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे बाय मेकिंग देम टुगेदर इन वन ग्रुप. ओके, so here we will be applying the same method. We'll have 6 minus 2 together in one group because here we have minus operation. So whatever the number we are taking, we have to keep it along with its sign. Then we always have plus sign in between. In bracket, what do we have? We have 3 by 5 minus 1 by 4. So this minus sign is not only with 2. It is with 1 by 4 also. That is also the negative part. So I will be writing the whole part together with its sign and fractional part also with its sign. It doesn't mean कि मैंने minus को 2 के साथ में मैं common नहीं ले रही हूँ कि एक बार चला गया तो दूसरी बार नहीं लिख सकते. I'm not taking anything common. I'm just keeping the whole part together in one group and fractional part together in another group. Trying to make two separate group, one for the whole part, one for the fractional part. That is why we can write with its sign whatever it is. So 2 was negative, 1 by 4 is also negative. That is why we will have it in the bracket along with minus sign. Okay, now 6 minus 2 gives me 4. And as we know, whenever we have a mixed fraction, so by default, look, this 6 and 3 by 5 is nothing but 6 plus 3 by 5. The another meaning for this 6 and 3 by 5 is the same way, 6 plus 3 by 5. Both the cases we exactly get the same answer. If you simplify 6 5s are 30 plus 3, this also gives you 6 and 3 by 5 also gives you 33 by 5 and 6 plus 3 by 5 also gives you 33 upon 5. So 6 minus 2 gives me 4 and for that purpose only we took this plus sign in between just to have a difference between the whole part and the fractional part. So that whatever we will be getting from the bracket of this fractional one, we will be having it along with its plus sign. Okay. Now 3 by 5 minus 1 by 4, we have to take the LCM of 5 and 4 which is 20. 4 3s are 12 minus 5 1s are 5. Right. This gives you 12 minus 5. Now 12 minus 5 is 7 and upon 20 will be as it is. Now 4 plus 7 upon 20. Already the numerator is smaller than the denominator. That means it's appropriate way to write in the mixed fractional format. So 4 and 7 upon 20 will be the answer when we simplify this. If you solve this question by the basic method, it will be a lot of time taking for us. Look, 6 and 3 by 5 minus 2 and 1 by 4. Especially when you get big number, it will be a lot of time taking for us. So 6 5s are 30 plus 3, 33 by 5 minus 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. When we take the LCM here, this will be again 20. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13 minus 9 5s are 45. 132 minus 45 gives me 7 at the ones place. 12 minus 4 gives me 8. 87 upon 20, 4 times it is divisible, 24s are 80. 87 minus 80 gives me 7 upon 20. So it is this extra step. Why to waste our time to converting in conversion process? Converting first mixed fraction into improper and then improper to mixed, a lot of time taking, right? So we can smartly also do this by making two separate group, one for the whole part, another for the fractional part, separating them by the plus operation will be written together in brackets. Okay, so 4 and 7 upon 20 we got in both the cases. From both the methods we got the same answer, but this one is pretty good and pretty easy for us to understand. It is too much time savior. So this small like methods is helping us a lot to save the calculation time for the big problems. When we get big numbers, when we have denominator big, or the mixed fraction, whole part of the mixed fraction is too much big, so multiplication gives very much big number, and then further taking the LCM is also a lot of time wasting, right? So that is why we are here with the time savior method, which is the shortcut trick, okay, for subtraction purpose. So this is exactly same as the addition one, but here some loopholes are there, some problems you will be facing when you are applying this method. And what are those problems we'll be discussing in each example. So what we have here, 12 and 3 by 5 minus 5 and 6 upon 7. So 12 minus 5 will be written together in one group, plus 3 upon 5 minus 6 upon 7. Make sure you have to separate them along with its original sign. Okay, now 12 minus 5 gives me 7 here, plus 3 by 5 minus 6 by 7. I simply have to take the LCM, which is 35. 5 I have in the denominator of 3. So I will be multiplying it by 7. So 7 3s are 21. Minus 6 by 7, which means I have to multiply here by 5. So 6 5s are 30. So this is here the problem arises, right? Look, 21 minus 30. We will be getting a negative number, right? So negative आ जाए तो आंसर माइनस का कर देंगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा. I'll show you the difference also. From here, the difference begins plus 7 plus 21 minus 30 gives me 9 minus 9 upon 35. I'm still writing it in the bracket because two signs are coming together. Plus 7 plus minus 9 upon 35. Now this can be further done into this way, 7 plus minus minus 9 upon 35. Now taking the LCM and then doing the needful 35. 35 multiplied by 7 minus 9 gives another different case. But I'll be showing you here also we can do it smartly without wasting much of the time. How to do that? That also I'll be showing you. But this doesn't mean, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि 7 और ये प्लस का नहीं लगाया. सपोज आपने ये माइनस 9 अपॉन 35, तो इसका मतलब हुआ माइनस 7 and 9 upon 35. No, it does not mean that. Okay, we do not have to deal it into this way कि इसका आंसर नेगेटिव आ रहा है, कि फ्रैक्शनल नेगेटिव आ गया तो चलो इस पे पूरे नंबर पे नेगेटिव साइन लगा दे. Okay, we do not have to do it into that way. What we will be doing now, we will be, look, I'll be showing you the basic method. Why are we not putting minus sign along with the number? This is not solved yet. We have the calculation furthermore. I'll be showing you the that basic method, 12 3 by 5 minus 5 6 7. Okay. What do we usually do? 12 fives are 60. 60 plus 3, 63 upon 5, right? Similarly, we will be converting this 5 and 6 upon 7 also into the improper fraction. So numerator is going to be 7 fives are 35 plus 6 will be 41. Now we have to take the LCM of 7 and 5, which is 35. We will cross multiply 7 with 63. So 7 threes are 21, carry over 2. 7 6 are 42 plus 2 is 44. Minus 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 441 minus 205. We simply take the difference here of 205 and 441, which gives me 236. Look, this becomes 11 and this becomes 3. 11 minus 5, 6, 3 minus 0 and 4 minus 2. So 236 divided by 35. Now we have to divide this by 35, which is going to give me 35 6 are 6 5s are 30, carry over 3, 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 210, right? And the next number 7 times we will be getting greater than 210. We will be getting 245, which is greater than 236. So that can't be taken. So 6 times we are getting, and this gives the remainder 26. So the answer should be 6 and 26 upon 35. This should be the answer. But here, if you are simplifying this into this way, 7 and from bracket you are getting minus 9 upon 35, and then you are writing it into this way, minus 7 9 upon 35. This is the wrong way to calculate. This is not the correct answer. Okay. So this is the incorrect one. Wrong. How we will be doing that I will be showing you. You never have to do it into this way. जो माइनस साइन ब्रैकेट से आ गया तो उसको पूरे नंबर पे अप्लाई कर दिया. नो. व्हाट वी विल बी डूइंग एक्चुअली, आई विल बी शोइंग यू हियर. आपको सिंपली करना क्या है, यू सिंपली हैव टू डू इट लाइक दिस. लुक, 7 प्लस माइनस 9 अपॉन 35. टू वेज आर देयर. या तो आप 7 माइनस 9 अपॉन 35, फिर यहाँ पे LCM ले लिया 35, 7 मल्टीप्लाई 35, 7 5 35, कैरी ओवर 3, 7 3 21 plus 3 is 24, and then 245 minus 9 giving you the answer, and then you are converting it again into the mixed fraction. So my suggestion is don't opt for this method also. This is the right way, but this is also lengthier one. How you will be doing? This is 7 minus 9 upon 35. I am suggesting you to break this 7. Write this 7 as 6 plus 1. So this 6 will be separately written. This 1 can be written as 35 upon 35. Right? Because 35 ones are 35 again gives us 1. Why are we writing 35 only? Exactly. Because the other fraction has 35 in the denominator. अगर दूसरे fraction में 81 होता तो हम 81 upon 81 लिखते. 26 होता तो 26 upon 26 लेते. So depends. Just the other fraction gives us the hint what should be written. That's it. So 6 plus 1. 1 I broke. 1 I wrote it as 35 upon 35 minus 9 upon 35. Now 35 minus 9 is going to give me 26. 35 minus 9 is going to give me 36 upon 35 as it is along with 6. So 6 and 26 upon 35 I got in each case. मुझे दोनों ही केस में same answer मिला. Right? So this way I simplified this tricky case where I was getting, after simplifying the fraction, I was getting negative answer. So how I have to remove that negative sign? Just by breaking the whole part, keeping one separately, and one can be written as again into the fractional form, depends what other fraction has into the denominator. तो आप इसको कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करोगे? आप सिंपली 12 और 5 का एक ग्रुप बनाओगे, because that's the whole part, and then you will be making the group of the fractional part, 3 by 5 and 6 by 7 together with its original sign. So minus 6 by 7. Keep on simplifying the fractional and the whole part separately. At the end, suppose if you are getting the numerator bigger. So how to deal that we have learned in while doing the addition. If you are getting the negative number After simplifying the fractional value, how you have to deal? You have to break the whole part by keeping one separate. Suppose 14 मिलता अगर यहाँ पे तो 13 plus 1. 20 मिलता तो 19 plus 1. So 19 and 35 minus 9 हम ऐसे करते. We'll have many more problems same type of. So at the end we will be for sure going to have the correct answer with the shortcut method as well. I hope it is so easy and you all are understanding each and every point. Okay. Now how do we deal with this type of problem? This also looks so easy, but it's not that easy. Some points you have to keep in mind. So while making the group of the whole part, I am getting the whole parts 16 and 3, 16 minus 3. But when I try to make the group of the whole fractional part, do I have anything in the fractional part of 16? Nothing is there. So I can have 0 minus 5 upon 7. यहाँ तो मैंने सिंप्लीफाई भी नहीं किया फिर भी आंसर मुझे नेगेटिव मिल गया. Look, 16 minus 3 gives me 13 plus 0 minus 5 by 7 is minus 5 by 7. And just now we have learned how do we deal with this type of problem. ये तो और भी easy है. कुछ simplify भी नहीं करना पड़ा, LCM भी नहीं लेना पड़ा brackets में. We have not done anything, just we simplified the whole part and kept the fractional parts separately. And then we got the answer situation as 13. I wrote it as 12 plus 1 minus 5 upon 7. Now this can be further written as 12 plus 7 upon 7 minus 5 upon 7, or you can write it as 12 plus 7 minus 5 upon 7. Just for the explanation purpose, I am doing it into longer way. Otherwise, this is just two-step solution. Okay. So 12, 7 minus 5 gives me 2 upon 7. Right? So we got the answer 12 and 2 by 7. By the longer method also you will get the same answer. You don't have to do it in these many steps also. Look, I'll show you how you will be doing. 16 minus 3 and 5 by 7. 16 minus 3, you can make one group and this is minus 5 by 7. Because 0 is meaningless to write. So this is 13 minus 5 by 7. 13 का 12 मैंने separate कर दिया, 1 को मैंने 7 upon 7. Mentally you can calculate 7 minus 5 gives me 2. Or you can just subtract this 5 from 7. आपको सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर में से न्यूमरेटर को माइनस करना है जब भी नेगेटिव की सिचुएशन आ जाए. That's it. और 13 को एक नंबर कम कर देना है. 13 बन जाएगा 12, right? This 13 will become 12. And this will become 7 minus 5 upon 7. Only in case when you are getting negative, not always. So this gives us 12 and 2 upon 7. Okay. I hope it is easy to apply and easy to understand. Okay. Let's move to the next problem where we have addition and subtraction both operations together. Okay. So 16 and 3 by 5 minus 5 and 7 by 13 plus 14 and 2 by 5 minus 16 and 3 by 13. First priority is writing all the whole part together in one group. That's it. Okay. Now I'm going to make the group of fractional part. So while making the group, I have to be extra careful. मुझे दिख रहा है कि यहाँ पे 5 है तो यहाँ पे भी 5 है. Why not? We should write them together in one group. Means I'm just asking you to pair them together. That's it. I'm not asking you to make separate group for 5, 5, 13, 13. You can write it into this way or else you can increase one step. पहले 3 by 5 एक group में आ गया. Minus 7 by 13 plus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 13. You can first write it into this way and then you can 3 by 5 plus का 2 by 5 minus 7 by 13 minus 3 by 13. You can have it like this also. Right? Now positive 16, negative 16, 16 minus 16 gives us 0. This is minus 5 plus 14, that means positive 9. Plus 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5 gives me 5 by 5. Minus 7 minus 3. Minus 7 minus 3 gives me minus 10 upon 13. Mentally we can do, right? This is small numbers, these all are. So 9 plus LCM when we take, this gives me 65 as the LCM. 5 multiplied by 13, right? Or I can simplify, ये तो longer तरीका हो जाएगा. I think this should be the best possible way. I can write it as 5 upon 5, that means 1 minus 10 upon 13. Otherwise, that would be a lot of time taking. Now, 1 minus 13, that means 9 plus. This can be written as 13, 13 minus 10. That's it. Because here we can take the LCM of 1 and 13. Why to take the LCM of 13 and 5? It will be time taking. So 5 upon 5 can be written as 1. 1 minus 10 upon 13 can be written as 13 minus 10. That means 3 upon 13. So 9 and 3 upon 13 will be the right answer. 13 minus 10 gives me 3 in the numerator. Okay. So this way we simplified the longer, bigger numbers calculation also, especially when the number is in the mixed form, mixed fractional, we simplified it with the shortest, best possible way. Okay. So 9 and 3 upon 13 will be the right answer. I hope this is easy, right? Next problem we have 40 and 2 by 4 minus 70 and 5 upon 14 plus 60 and 5 by 7 plus 50 and 1 by 4. What we will be doing? Exactly. We'll first make the groups here. So group में कौन कौन होगा? Whole part. 40 minus 70 plus 60 plus 50. So here also you can make the group smartly, keeping all the numbers which has the plus sign, positive sign, keeping them together, and minus 70 can be written at the end also. That associative property you can smartly apply here. 40 plus 60, 100, 100 plus 50, 150, 150 minus 70 gives us 80. So when we simplify the whole, this 40 plus 60, 100, 100 minus 70 is 30, 30 plus 50 is 80. This whole part is going to give us 80. Now coming to the fractional part. 2 upon 4 can be written as 1 by 2. We can simplify it furthermore. Why to have the bigger equivalent fraction? Right? Big values, big numbers. It is the same fraction. Equivalent to 1 by 2 only. Now, simplifying this fractional part, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 14 plus 5 by 7 plus 1 by 4. Now no more cut short is possible anywhere. That is why I wrote it exactly the same. When we take the LCM of 2, 14, 7 and 4, we are going to have 28 in the denominator. And if we have 28, here we have to multiply by 14. Here by 2, here by 4 and here by 7. 7 4s are 28, 4 7s are 28, 14 2. 14 2s are 28. 2 multiplied by 14 is 14. So 14 minus 10 plus 20 plus 7. Okay. 14 minus 10 gives me 4. 4 plus 20 gives me 24. 24 plus 7 gives me 31 upon 28. So here again we got a fraction with the numerator bigger than the denominator. This is not the proper fraction. 31 is the numerator which is greater than the denominator 28. So we have to split it furthermore. When we divide 31 by 28, one time it will be divisible. So this is going to give us 80 plus 1 and 3 upon 28. 28 ones are 28 plus 3, 31. Okay, so 80 plus 1 is 81 again. 3 upon 28. So at the end, finally, we got the answer of this problem, 81 and 3 upon 28. Isn't it interesting method? Yes, it's easy to apply, easy to understand. Okay, I hope you all are understanding this. So until we do not meet for the next session, you have to keep on practicing. You have to look for many problems from your textbook, whatever the types we have seen, addition, subtraction, Whenever you are getting the negative numerator, so how are we going to eliminate that minus sign from that, from there? When you are getting greater numerator, how do we deal with that? And if you are having any type of situation where the first number do not have anything in the fractional value, as here we have, so what to do in such cases? Each and every small things we have discussed here. Still, if you face any problem in any question, you have to keep on writing in the comment box. Do share that problem to me so that I can discuss it in my next video. Okay. So until we do not meet, keep on practicing, keep on liking my video and share it to your friends. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and please practice it enough. Okay. Take care. Bye everyone.